Welcome to Holly Tree Lodge. The property behind me has been built by the current owners and the specification that they have created is stunning. Just wait until you see that backdrop through the huge sliding doors off of the main living space. The overall square footage of this property is exceptional. The garage is huge, more like a warehouse. Wait until you see the dimensions on the floor plan. And the current owners have also shared that subject to the correct permissions, that could be converted to create additional living space. My name is James Humphrey Stone from The Avenue, and this is Holly Tree Lodge. This kitchen living dining space is truly exceptional. The kitchen area has beautiful tops with the contrasting grey units with a huge range of integrated storage. We've got the utility off to one side, and then we sweep round and have the dining space, the lovely seating area, the huge glass bifolds opening onto that incredible view at the rear. This space is the ideal family and entertaining area. And that is Holly Tree Lodge. The property is beautiful, the gardens are exceptional, the outlook is absolutely stunning. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, please get in touch on 01773 424 221.